Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do a really simple, honest review of the brand new Pattern shampoo and conditioner. So Tracee Ellis Ross, as we all know, just launched Pattern recently, and it's a nod to all the curly haired women out there. I have super dirty hair. I last washed my hair last week, did a twist out, and that's similarly what I'm gonna do today. So I'm gonna start with the hydration shampoo, which is this one, followed by the heavy conditioner for coilies. And for my twist out, they don't have styling products in this lineup, at least I didn't see any at Ulta, but they did have this travel size leave-in conditioner. And then what I traditionally use for my twist out is just my Design Essentials almond and avocado curl enhancing mousse. I'm gonna combine the two of these since there's no true styler in this collection, so bear with me. I am gonna review, what the shampoo and conditioner and leave-in did on their own, but the final result of what you'll see from a styling perspective will be with the mousse added for the twist out. If you're interested in Pattern beauty, you wanna see what's good, you wanna know if you should spend them coins on this collection, stay tuned. Don't go anywhere, I'll be back. I love how it's setting up. This is the first pass, which rarely happens. I feel like it takes so much product, like the second wash, to really set up like this. This is awesome. I did put a generous amount in my palm to get it going because that's just what I'm used to, but this feels awesome. Do you guys have that same problem where it doesn't really set up the way you need it to on the first wash? Like it takes a couple of run-throughs to set up, or is that just me? I don't know. Either way, this is awesome and it feels really good. Very light, mild scent. I didn't read the back to see what scent I'm picking up. Very fresh, clean, nothing too crazy, but it feels really nice. I don't even know if I'm gonna have to do 2 washes. This feels amazing. Again, I'm just really impressed by the sud level. Feels so good. Okay guys, so this is post shampoo. Again, I only did 1 run through, which I'm very surprised at. I normally have to shampoo a couple of times. So this is gonna be the true test. My hair gets pretty tangly and knotted during the shampoo process when I do it quickly and I don't put my hair in sections prior. So this was me truly putting this shampoo to the test. So I am going to section my hair off like I pretty much normally do into 2 sections and give it a light detangle and then go in with the conditioner. I'm working my way from the ends to the root. This is the heavy, so it's very thick. So let's see. I probably put too much. What I learned from the shampoo is you really don't need that much product, so this might be too much. So I'm gonna work it in, make sure I'm getting my roots. Again, a very mild scent. It doesn't really smell like anything, just clean. Yeah, I don't know. I can't put my finger on the scent. So a little finger detangling here. So it's detangling the hair nicely, which is good. I'm just working the product through. You can see I have some knots here, so let's see. I like it. I like it. It doesn't have a ton of slip. Again, it just feels like a heavier mask. So if you need that deep penetration for your thick curly hair, then this would be really good. It's not necessarily the best detangler, from what I feel, but it's a good mask. I popped off camera really quickly just to re-wet my hair. It was drying pretty quickly and that makes it harder to detangle. So I just re-wet it and I applied the conditioner, and it does go on a little smoother, more like conditioner. So just make sure you're keeping your hair super wet when you are applying this conditioner. It needs a little help to kind of, I don't know, like dissolve a little bit. So you can see, you see it more versus the other side. My hair was drying quite a bit. So this is if you're in the shower and your hair obviously does not get dry in between shampooing and conditioning. So this gives me a better sense of how I like the conditioner, and I like it more when my hair is completely drenched, because I feel like it's getting in more. It's beautiful, good texture, feels like it's actually penetrating the hair follicles, and it's detangling a lot better when it's very wet. Okay, I'm out of the shower and I washed out the conditioner. It felt really good and super hydrated. So this is the finished product, nice and detangled. No leave-in conditioner is in just yet. One thing I think I could have done better is select the conditioner that was right for my texture. I don't need a heavy conditioner, and I'm not sure if this is the only one they had, but I do think that there are two types of conditioners in the collection. So I wish I would have gotten the one for like looser curl patterns, because this was a mask for me pretty much. So that is the only regret. But yeah, other than that, feels pretty good. The leave-in, I'm only gonna use a little bit because I feel like everything, you don't need that much. So I'm just going in with a little bit. And that feels really good. This is Pattern Beauty. I do love the shampoo. The leave-in feels nice. The conditioner, I should have probably gotten the other one for looser curl patterns. But yeah, so stay tuned. I am going to quickly just stretch my hair by blow drying it, and then I'm gonna do a flat twist. That all just makes it easier for drying purposes. Sometimes I do my hair wet in a flat twist, other times I like to stretch it. Yeah, stay tuned. I'm gonna kind of fast forward through all of that because I've done an in-depth twist out tutorial before, but stay tuned just to see how it goes down. All right.
Time will testify and move these pieces right. Don't wanna make you wait forever. Don't try to justify all my reasons why. One more day and maybe never. Time won't stand still, not for anybody, no. Time hurts, it is, but baby, I know. If ever I feel like I'm drowning and lost in this place, I'll reach out for you, 'cause time won't erase my feelings for you. If ever I feel like I'm drowning and lost in this place, I'll reach out for you, 'cause I won't erase